Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to share with you all a brand new video. In this video I will be discussing how aqua pressure can be effective for improving physical strength and managing joint pain. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like, share, or leave a comment to stay updated on all my future content. Aqua pressure, also known as hydrostatic pressure, is the pressure exerted by water on the body when submerged. This pressure acts as resistance against the muscles when performing movements in the water, which can help improve physical strength in several ways. When you exercise in water, the resistance of the water requires more muscle engagement, leading to a more effective full-body workout. This can help strengthen muscle groups throughout the body. Exercising in water also requires your heart to work harder, to circulate blood and oxygen throughout the body, which can improve your cardiovascular fitness and endurance over time. What's more, the buoyancy of water reduces the impact on joints, making it an ideal environment for those with joint pain or injuries to strengthen their muscles.
Without further strain,
the constant movement of water creates an unstable environment, which forces your body to engage,
stabilizing muscles too.
Maintain balance and stability during exercises, ultimately improving your overall body strength. Overall, aqua pressure can be a beneficial tool for improving physical strength by providing resistance, improving cardiovascular fitness, reducing joint impact, and enhancing balance and stability. Absolutely. Exercising in water can be a great option for individuals with joint pain, as the buoyancy of water reduces the impact on joints while
still providing a challenging workout. Aqua pressure can help
improve muscle strength, cardiovascular fitness, and overall physical well-being without exacerbating joint pain. When starting a water-based exercise routine, it's important to start slow and gradually increase the intensity to avoid overexertion. Consulting with a healthcare provider or a fitness professional who is experienced in aquatic exercise can also help tailor a workout plan that suits your individual needs and goals. Remember to listen to your body and adjust the intensity of your workouts as needed. If you found this video informative, please consider subscribing to our channel for more educational content on various pharmaceutical, medical, and healthcare topics. We encourage you to share this video with others who may benefit from a better understanding
of aqua pressure for physical
strength and joint pain relief. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to safeguarding your health. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked my new video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Stay tuned and take care.